come back in this store again. My son is 6. One is 12 who's babysitting, but he has to be the thing. And I have a 2-year-old. My 6-year-old's getting his hair done. I promise to God, I'm not that person.
On November 22nd, 2023, 2 women used an EAS defeat device to shoplift at a mall. One fled, one stayed. This is the legal breakdown.
How are you?
I don't have nothing else on me.
So, this young lady here, along with another young lady who took off, we weren't able to apprehend her. They came in, kids polo, they began selecting merchandise. They used a tool, which we have on video. They clipped the hard tags off and concealed. Each person had items concealed underneath their clothing. The other girl passed last point of sale. She took off running as we tried to stop her. We stopped her right before she passed out of last point of sale. But like I said, she had already had concealed.
And I gave them everything.
And she had clipped those.
I didn't clip.
Let me have you sign this. She was present and was holding the clothes while the other person was clipping tools. She was involved in it.
And I'm begging you out. I told him I will pay for her stuff. This was for her. I know her. You say you are pressing charges?
How are you riding with you?
I got the ID in there.
You got the ID?
I don't know what he said. I got it.
Did he say he is pressing charges?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to jail. Because I can't get her to come back in, I gotta go to jail. He said all he needed was her to come back. I'm begging y'all. I will pay for anything that she took. I will pay for anything here. This is not even me. Like, this is not me. Please, I'm begging you. Okay, hold on. Can I call it?
All right, ma'am.
Just let them know. I'm going to
You're
jail.
under arrest, ma'am.
Go ahead and take your purse off.
This person.
Okay, hold on.
Ma'am.
Shayla, they taking me to jail because Kim won't come back in here. She won't answer the phone. She will not answer the phone. Oh, I'm sorry. No, I'll just put it in my purse. She will not answer the phone. If Kim told me that girl would not come back in here, and I'm telling them I will pay for anything. Then he said he's pressing charges. I told him I will pay for all of this stuff. He even said he knows she a frequent here. Sir, I'm begging you to please just ban me. I'm begging you. My kids are home by themselves. I'm begging you. I will pay for anything. I will never come back in this store again. My son is 6. One is 12 who's babysitting, but he has to be the thing. And I have a 2-year-old. My 6-year-old's getting his hair done. I promise to God, I'm not that person. I just want to go home to my kids. I will pay for anything.
How is it?
Please.
Belongs to that car of the other girl. I don't know if that's helpful or not in the investigation.
That's fine. Can you pull the footage? Find out what car she has. Apparently, the car key that she has belongs to the other suspect.
Okay.
If you can get the vehicle, run the tag, and that's who our other suspect should be. I'm about to view footage to get a better description of her now. So.
Yes, sir.
Officer, please, I'm saying, I'm going to jail. I got 3 kids at home. She asked me, she said she would do me a favor. She said she took me to the grocery store to get my groceries and my food so that I can cook for Thanksgiving. She asked me could I run in the store with her for a second. I know she steals, but I told them, I'm scary, don't do it with me. I didn't know she started doing it until afterwards.
What vehicle did y'all come here?
I don't even know the make and model of her car. I honestly do not know. I just know it's a black car. I will take you to her car right now. I have the keys.
It's a black car?
It's a black car. I would take you to
Where
her
did you
car.
all park at?
The side door, the door that she ran out of.
Okay.
I'm begging your manager to please.
Is it an SUV
just
or is it a
beg
car?
me. It's a car. It's a car. I will give you her keys to her car. I will give you everything. I'm begging you, just beg me and let me go home to my 3 kids. They're home alone. They're by themselves.
You don't have a problem if I use the key and
I don't think her key forward. That's why I said I will walk with you out there.
So,
Can somebody please try to get Kim on the phone and tell her she needs to come back up here.
Okay.
We not the best of friends, but we're friends.
Like yesterday, caught a guy yesterday around, but he dope real.
Yeah, if you see her, go ahead 1095. It's going to be possession of tools during. So definitely a felony.
Walked over there, she both got right there.
Can you enhance it?
I'm gonna zoom in right here. You gonna see the tool, and you gonna see her taking it off the hangers, and then she's gonna be passing it to Adriana for Adriana to put it in her jacket.
She said, come on, man, we gotta hurry get out there, girl. I'm telling you, I'm gonna leave your ass right here. I'm gonna walk the off and go back to my people because I'm not going to jail. I was scared. I kept looking around because I'm paranoid. I will pay for my son's stuff. You get what I'm saying? I don't play that. I pay for my kids' stuff. I told her that. I said, I will pay for it. Once she had done popped out of me, of course, yes, I did. I was like, well, what you want me to do with shit? I just throw them over there. So I put them in the clothes. I walked off. She stuffed it in my pants, if you can see in the camera, because I don't know nothing about it. Well, she stuffed it in my pants. She's like, you gotta put it this way. Walk out the door, I'm like, I'm sweating, I'm out of it. When I seen y'all coming, I stopped. I would never run from it. I'm telling you, I need to go to my kids. I'm not lying, I'm not making up no fabricated story. I'm not a perfect person. I'm not. I have my flaws, I have my faults, but still, I pay for anything. My homegirl gets on me about, why you spend so much money on stuff? Because I'm stealing, I don't do. I don't steal from nobody because I don't want nobody to steal from me.
Under U.S. complicity law, direct commission is not required. Knowledge plus facilitation is enough. The subject admitted she knew her companion steals. That alone satisfies the first element of party to a crime. The felony charge hinges on constructive possession of the defeat device. The tools were in the co-suspect's car. The subject held the car keys. Physical contact is not required, control and knowledge are.
I'm not gonna open it yet. I see that it's kids, so there's 2 car seats in there and some, she said junkie, so it matches the description. I'm gonna go, I don't see any other Mazda 6 here, so I'm gonna go run this tag and wait, there's some envelopes. Kimbriana Vallis.
That's her. She said Kim something. And she
Yep.
said it started with a V.
Yep, this is it. So let me just take a picture of that so I'll have that and then I'll
See the tool yet? The tool, she can pop it up right there. She did all the clipping, but she comes in here all the time.
Which one?
Her. That's how I knew it was her. Because she comes in here real quick, she moves quick, and she hardtail. She didn't do no concealing. She gave it all to her after she popped the stuff. See, she steady popping it and then taking it off the hangers to give to her to put it in her.
Yeah, I can hear her in there saying that she was shoving it down her pants.
Well, I don't know about all of that, but
So let me ask you this, so why did you put
She stuffed it in my jacket. She said, and I just, you right. You got your own mind. I should have said no. You are absolutely right. Paranoid as hell walking out the door. That's why I said, I'll just pay for it. This is the number.
you got kids?
I got kids. I was straight telling you, no. That's the phone number I have for her. That's the email I have that I talked to her on FaceTime. We're not the best of friends, but we're at church, so we talk a lot, we joke a lot on Instagram. Her cousins are like my friends. I went to school with them. Because I make shirts, and I make shirts for her baby birthday party. Her birthday on the 26th. She'll be 26 on the 26th. That's why she ran for you. Because she's not going to go to jail for her birthday. But now look at me. I got to go to jail. I don't know what's going to happen, what's going on or nothing. Like, that's money I don't have. I'm trying to call her baby daddy. Can you please call Kim? This girl done brought me in the store. She done ran out the store and left me, and I'm going to jail for her shit, bro. Like, she straight left me. This went to the lash appointment? Nisha, this girl left me and went to her lash appointment, dog. And this people tell me that person John's gonna be my kids in the house by themselves.
Are you serious?
I'm so serious, Nisha. You on speaker, and you on speaker, man. Nisha, please tell these. Nisha, you on speaker. Please tell these people this not me, man. I don't do this. I will pay for that. This girl left me and then went to a lash appointment. And don't like what?
Yeah, come on, Mama.
I will leave her car with y'all. My cousin will come and get me.
So we found it. I sent you that email that had this on it. It's sitting up on, there are 2 of these sitting up on the front dash of the vehicle. The security officer, he told me, when he saw this, he said, that's her, that's the name, Kimbriana.
Stand up for me so I can search you real quick. Let me just get the phone.
Can you answer that? That's my kids that I'm calling back. I was calling to check on them.
Just give me 1 minute.
Okay. Hey Siri, call Kim Parker on speaker.
Let me see your feet.
Okay. Did you find the car?
Yes, ma'am, we found it.
Who's is that?
My jacket. Do you know the charges are?
Yes. So it's going to be misdemeanor shoplifting, party to a crime, misdemeanor shoplifting, and felony possession until it's dirty.
The critical procedural failure, no Miranda warning on camera. Under Miranda versus Arizona, 1966, custodial interrogation requires prior rights advisement. 12 minutes of questioning without it, every admission is potentially suppressible at trial.
I don't have no tools, officer.
Hold on. I'm about to explain it to you.
Okay, please don't do this, officer. Can we go to her and she got the tool on her? Can she take that charge? A felony, I won't get out
You were
today.
right beside her.
I was.
While she was clipping the sensors.
I'm asking you.
So it's party to a crime for
Please don't hurt
possession
me.
of tools.
I won't even get no bond to go home.
Once we identify her completely, she's going to have warrants cut for her arrest for misdemeanor shoplifting and felony possession of tools during the commission of a crime. So what I'm having trouble understanding, if you have a 6-year-old, a 12-year-old, and a 2-year-old, why are they not with you?
Okay, I left them so I can go to the grocery store to get the food to finish cooking because the food is on the stove. My 6-year-old had to go get his hair done, so I sent him to go get his hair done. He's at the shop right now. I even have to go get him. That's what I'm saying. I will take the shop in charge. I will pay for whatever. I will never in my life come back in this store ever again. I will never go anywhere in this world again and touch anything. I'm begging y'all from the pits of my heart and the bottom of my soul. I will take you to her. Her baby daddy is trying to meet me to get her keys to her car. I swear to God.
That's not my call.
My mama died. My dad is my source, but he's not here. Like my kids, a felony charge. I can't even go home to get them to make sure they're okay.
Is there anybody that you can contact?
Everybody is in Texas. Everybody's out of the state. Nobody out. The little family we do here. I don't have the friends. You see the friend I had. Let me just take the misdemeanor or whatever, but the felony, I won't be able to go home to make sure they're okay. That's it. Malik, she need to get here now. Now, my kids, I don't care about what she got going on. I don't care about nothing. She clearly didn't give a about me. I don't care. Kim Brianna need to come back up here now.
Game, bro. You can't get caught, bro.
What the?
You got caught, sis.
What the? Oh hell! That's the game. What game? Can you? Oh.
This, you need to cut it out because we need to get transferred to the CCDC. And
is this still the felony charge on there?
yes, ma'am. So, alright, this is yours. Alright, thank you.
It's like out of all the charges, y'all gotta get hit with the felony. I didn't even touch the tool.
But you were right there with
Alright,
so it's party to a crime.
you can have a seat, ma'am. Go ahead.
Officers receive a B methodical investigation, strong de-escalation. The Miranda lapse is the single issue that could unravel the prosecution. The co-suspect receives an F. She operated the tool past the merchandise and fled, leaving her companion to face a felony alone. 3 takeaways. Presence during a crime creates exposure. Knowledge is the deciding factor. Silence is a right. Using it costs nothing. Waiving, it costs everything. Miranda is not procedural. It is the line between admissible and suppressible. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.